In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Chime mobile app on your Android phone. The first thing you want to do is make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, you want to launch open the Google Play Store app. Make sure that you have signed into your Google account. If you're not signed in, you will not be able to download the app. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the search bar and here you want to type Chime Mobile Banking. Make sure that you select the correct app. It should look something like this. Now, you want to tap on the install option. Chime mobile banking app may not be available in every country. So if it's not available in yours, you will get this message. But if it is available, you will get the install option. Tap on that. Now wait while the app downloads and installs. This usually takes around 30 seconds depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will see an open button. Tap on there, or you can also swipe to your app drawer and search for Chime to find it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.